Hello everybody, it's time for update on China's moon program. The China actually have GPS system equivalent that's called Beidou. Beidou in Chinese, I believe it looks like this, and use a 44 satellite. The GPS we have here in the United States is only one satellite, and the resolution is about a few meters. Okay, and you can tell when you are driving freeway and you get off the freeway at the ramp, the map shows your car still on the freeway until you are away from the freeway. Then suddenly your car jump to the off-ramp area, and that's kind of showing the resolution. The China increased the satellite to improve that into the centimeters. So the of course 44 satellite is much more accurate than 31 satellite for the GPS system. And how about the moon? The moon is smaller, so you don't need that much. Okay, so China's just disclosed a plan to put the Beidou, the moon Beidou system is actually 21 satellite. Okay, and it's done by phase 1, phase 2. Phase 1 is 2 satellite. This is a moon, and it's going to be elliptic orbit, has a 2 satellite. And this satellite, why elliptic? Because it can reach Earth as a relay satellite, and at the same time it does GPS function. And China is going to add the 9 in the phase 2 to cover entire South Pole. Why South Pole? Well, the reason is China is planning to send a man to the South Pole by 2030. It could be 2029, it's not sure, but that's a plan right now. And before the men go to the moon, China said they're going to finish this 2 phase, so they know exact location of where the men landed in the South Pole area. And the phase 3 is going to add 10 more to cover entire moon, and that means with 21 satellite total, you go to the moon, it tells you exact location where you are. In the future, anybody is going to land on the moon, they can look at this China's Beidou system, so you know exact location. Okay, this is a fantastic idea. If they can do this, then we have no more question about, well, you landed where? Where on the moon? Well, Beidou system tell you exact coordinate, the location. It's much easier for telescope to focus on. So that's great. So that is the new disclosed plan. I just learned that from Chinese internet broadcasts. I think this is great. I think I wanted to report this to everybody so that everybody knows what's going on. And Chang'e 6 brought back the soil sample from the South Pole area, and Chang'e 7 and 8 are planned already before the man goes. So man I think it's going to be Chang'e 9 probably. Okay, So it's coming soon. Okay, that's all for today. Please enjoy my reporting so that I can keep going occasionally whenever I discover something new about China's new moon program. Okay, bye.